The DJI Avata 2 is set to be unveiled soon, and just before the official announcement, we're getting various sneak peeks of it on social media platforms. These glimpses include close-up shots of the product itself, like the one captured from a DJI Avata 2 unboxing video below. Now, let's delve into the specifications of the DJI Avata 2. The DJI, the renowned drone manufacturer, has announced the release of its highly anticipated Avata 2 drone, set to hit the market in April 2024. This cutting-edge aerial photography and videography platform promises to elevate the user experience to new heights, combining advanced imaging capabilities with a sleek and robust design. At the heart of the Avata 2 lies an impressive 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning 48-megapixel photographs with remarkable clarity and detail. This powerful sensor, combined with the drone's wide 12.7mm lens and an expansive 155-degree field of view, ensures that every shot encapsulates breathtaking landscapes and dynamic scenes with unparalleled depth and perspective. Video enthusiasts will be delighted with the Avata 2's ability to record in a variety of resolutions, including 4K, 2.7, and full HD. Whether you're capturing adrenaline-pumping action sequences or mesmerizing landscapes, the drone offers a range of frame rates in full HD mode. This versatility allows for silky, smooth, slow-motion footage, enabling videographers to capture every moment in exquisite detail. The DJI incorporated its advanced D-Log M color profile into the Avata 2, providing videographers with greater creative control and flexibility during post-production. This feature ensures that footage retains maximum dynamic range and color information, allowing for precise color grading and enhanced editing capabilities. Stability is a crucial factor in aerial videography, and the Avata 2 delivers with its cutting-edge Rocksteady 3.0 Plus technology. This advanced stabilization system ensures that footage remains smooth and steady, even in challenging conditions, eliminating unwanted camera shake and ensuring consistently professional quality results. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes, powered by a robust 3,400 mAh battery, the Avata 2 offers ample time to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. Its compact dimensions of 180 x 216 x 82mm and lightweight design, weighing just 458 grams, make it highly portable and easy to transport, allowing for seamless integration into any adventure or professional production. While the official pricing for the Avata 2 has not been confirmed, DJI's reputation for delivering exceptional value and cutting-edge technology suggests that this drone will be a sought-after addition to the arsenals of aerial photographers and videographers alike. As the release date of April 2024 approaches, excitement continues to build among the drone community and content creators, eagerly anticipating the arrival of the DJI Avata 2. With its impressive imaging capabilities, advanced stabilization features, and compact design, this drone promises to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography and videography, empowering users to capture stunning visuals from new perspectives. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.